Welcome to my channel, Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I look at you and see the rest of my life in front of my eyes. And then my soul saw you and it kind of went, "Oh, there you are. I've been looking for you." To be your friend was all I ever wanted. To be your lover was all I ever dreamed. To love and be loved is to feel the sun from both sides. I have waited for this opportunity for more than half a century to repeat to you once again my vow of eternal fidelity and everlasting love. Whatever our souls are made of, his and mine are the same. Love is composed of a single soul inhabiting two bodies. You don't marry someone you can live with. You marry someone you can't live without. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. I would rather spend one lifetime with you than face all the ages of this world alone. You make me want to be a better man. Because of you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a lot more. Love is not about how many days, months, or years you've been together. Love is about how much you love each other every single day. You are the finest, loveliest, tenderest, and most beautiful person I have ever known. And even that is an understatement. I love you not only for what you are, but for what I am when I am with you. In all the world, there is no heart for me like yours. In all the world, there is no love for you like mine. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. I didn't choose you, my heart did. Love doesn't make the world go round. Love is what makes the ride worthwhile. You had me at hello. I love you more than I have ever found a way to say to you.